Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to set up and run HTML in Visual Studio Code on Windows 10. Myself Mohammad Zubair and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, in order to run your HTML file and HTML code into your Visual Studio Code, you have to do some of the things that are really necessary. First of all, you have to install an extension that is called as Code Runner. So just click on that extension icon and in the search bar, just search for Code Runner. And this is the one, and make sure you are installing the one that is from Junhan. Just click on it and install this one. I have already installed it, that is why I'm not going to reinstall it. After you are done with this one, I'll just close my extension and go to your files. Then go to your preferences and open your settings. In that, here we have an icon that says Open Settings JSON. Just click on this one. So from here, you can see we have two lines of code. I'll remove both of them. I'll have my closing brackets and now I'll write here code and I'll go to Code Runner Executor Map. Just click on it, scroll up and just before the first line hit enter and inside the inverted commas write here HTML, then put your colon, space, again inverted commas and in that write here cd space $sign dir space double and sign space start space Chrome will be the browser that we'll be using for our HTML code or HTML files, space $sign file name, and we are good to go. After you are done with this line, make sure to enter your comma, otherwise you will get the error in the next line. Now just save this file and just close this one. Now we are ready to run our first HTML code. Go to your file section and click on add folder to workplace. Then go to the directory where you want to have your folder for your HTML. I'll click on new folder and I will name it as HTML. Click on add, again click on it and click on yes. And we are good to go. Now go to your Explorer, click on your HTML workspace and then click on this icon that says new file. I'll name this file as skillsbuild.html. Hit enter. Make sure to add .html at the end of your file name because otherwise you will not be able to run your HTML code and Visual Studio Code will not be able to detect if this file is of HTML or anything else. We are good to go. Now we are ready to code for our HTML. I will just add some of the code in here and I'll get back to you. So we are done with adding all the code. Now in my body, I'll write some of the things. For example, let's say we use our heading 1 and in that let's write here skills build training. After that I'll have my heading 2 or H2 tag and in that I'll write here YouTube channel. If I save this file, now I'll just click on this run code icon. What it will do, it will open this file into our browser and obviously that will be our Google Chrome and then we'll see our output. So I'll just click on this one and here you can see we have skills build training and we have YouTube channel as an output. And these were the things that we had added into our HTML code. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon. We'll get back to you in the next video. Till then, take care.